Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share 3 pages of my Artisan Journal Prompt 2022 hosted by Patty over at Patty or Life with Patty, and I'll have her link down below. Click on the hashtag to see everybody's creations. I am trying to do catch up this week. I have 18, 19, and this week as 20, prompt 20. Um, yeah, so let's get started because I've tried to film this 3 times already. so week 18 was people, and these are some of the people that I admire, that these are just some of them. I have a whole bunch of them, but these are the ones that I picked. George Washington is the founder of our, not founder, but first president of the United States. You know, Walt Disney. Love all of his early film. This is King Kamehameha. He is the first king of the Hawaiian Islands. Rosa Parks, I admire her. I love Princess Diana. I admire Martha Stewart and her entrepreneurship. Um, I love J.K. Rowling and her books. She has a great story. She had nothing and then um, built an empire, and it's still going on today. Lastly, Marilyn Monroe. That's another tragic story. Beautiful, beautiful woman. I always admired her beauty. Second week, the other week is week 19, and it's all about birds. And I took the easy way out. I just looked up the birds that I love, or my favorite birds, and um, printed them on my, on my printer. And look how vibrant these pictures are. And this is just from my Epson, printer. So let's go through it. I love crane. This is the Japanese crane. Swans are gorgeous. Cardinals, that has a significant meaning for me. I love hummingbirds and the bald eagle and flamingos and these cute little lovebirds. And lastly, peacocks are they come in all different colors. They're so gorgeous. Look at this one, is so pretty. I love that one. Okay, so this week's prompt, I had no idea what to do. This one really stumped me. I I just kind of randomly glue food packaging or wrappers on my page. So I love granola with yogurt. So that is like one of my favorite. Wendy's is always a go-to fast food. I love French vanilla Dunkin' Donut coffee. I love Lindor chocolates, and I just love this cute pink packaging it came in. I just love it. I just love it. Um, and then I love tuna, and I love green pomegranate tea. So yeah, I wasn't very creative there, um, but I did it. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Go check on the hashtag and see everybody else's creativity. Believe me, they're a lot better than me just gluing things down on my, in my journal. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.